Welcome back to my channel everyone, Sparkly Diamonds. Today we have an unboxing of the mini Dazzle birds. So it's a set of 6. Oh, hi Freddy. Can you get in the window, Freddy? Can you get in? No. There you go. Now you can get in. We have Freddy coming in the window. So yes, you get 6 in this kit. We get the American Robin, Baltimore Oriole, Eastern Bluebird, Eastern Goldfinch, Northern Cardinal, and a chickadee. So you get thank you for your purchase, but for the mini Dazzles, there's nothing in them. You get your toolkit with the smaller tray. We've got our little drills. And there we have our 6 little canvases. All 17 drills are fairy dust. Sorry, no, 16 fairy dust and 1 AB. So here we have the 6 canvases. I don't know which one is which. And we have the 6. And the colours for these are, we have 310 fairy dust, 642 fairy dust, 644 fairy dust, 898 fairy dust, 3866 fairy dust, 666 fairy dust, 321 fairy dust, 3776 fairy dust, 518 fairy dust, 402 fairy dust, and 743 fairy dust, 517 fairy dust, 970 fairy dust, 814 fairy dust, 300 fairy dust, 741 fairy dust. So where is the missing colour? There's nothing there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I am missing a bag, but I have plenty. It's probably my fault. I have opened it, having a look. So I have got plenty of the AB 5200s in my spare drills. But yeah, these are really pretty. I think if any of them, those 2 are my favourite. So the blue one and the so the blue one is the Eastern Bluebird and the yellow one is the Eastern Goldfinch. So I hope you liked today's video and let me know if you've got these mini Dazzle birds. This was a this was sent to me from a friend, which is Leanne, or Diamonds and Doxies, as a member of the month win on her channel. So thank you, Leanne, for these. These are stunning. Well, I hope you have a great day and see you in the next video.